What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and to another new video. I'm just down here at the garage and the wife got me a new toy, Christmas present, but she allowed me to open it early because she knew I needed one. I wanted to buy it myself, but I just couldn't spend the money on it with Christmas coming up and yeah, having kids and stuff. So yeah, let's have a look at what she got. It's wrapped up here, so give me one moment and I'll open it. Now guys, this is a DJI OSMO 4. It's a gimbal for the camera to hold it steady. Like, it's not going to be like this anymore and moving around, and you can see it tilt left and right. With this, it's going to make my videos more steady, no more jumping around, and it has a mode on it that when I put the phone down, it can follow you, so the camera will move around like this around the garage after me, and it will be much more clearer. There's an app on the phone to make it clearer and more precise. It zooms in on you, it stays with you as you move around the garage. So I'm going to set the phone up now with it and give you a look. So guys, this is the Osmo setup. What I'm going to do is I have it set to look at the wheels there. So I'm going to move the camera and it's just going to stay with the wheels. As you can see, I'm turning the camera and I'm looking down and down up, and it's just going to stay on them wheels. As you can see, my finger. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm really loving it, how it's coming out. You can see I'm moving around the garage, moving up and down and around, and it's sticking with the tires or the wheel, whichever it wants to zoom in on. So yeah, that's the gimbal guys. Guys, I have the gimbal to set up to stay on my face. I need to figure out what way to look at it. I have to look at the camera. It's a bit new to me, so I'm trying to figure it out all myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the gimbal up and I'm going to mount the Civic outside, and I have to do a bit of cleaning as well. So I'm not going to obviously make us watch me clean again. It's just to tidy everything up, get it out of the way so we can work on the cars. So yeah guys, I'm going to do that now, so enjoy. So yeah guys, that's how the gimbal works. It's pretty cool. As you can see, I'm walking around the garage and I'm holding the camera just directly in front of me and it's following me, so I love it. It's just going to be nice for the setup that I want. I want it to be able to follow me walking around the garage, not being all jalopy and stuff. Like, I'm moving the camera now and it's not moving around that much. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. I'm going to move this Mini, get it out, remove everything from it because my brother's going to be welding more. I'm going to be messing with the engine, the K20. I did order a few parts on Amazon. I got a thermal inlet gasket, I got a thermal throttle body gasket, I got a new rocker cover gasket, and I got, what else did I get? I got something else, gaskets. Yeah, 4 things I got off Amazon, and they should be here during the week. Hopefully they come soon. So I'm just going to do another little bit of tidy and get it ready for the bits and pieces. So I'm going to crack on with this Mini and then we're going to do that. Now guys, that's the Mini move now. In order for my brother to be able to work on the inside of the car, I am going to clean it out just to get everything outside of the Mini, set up the tools, get the welder ready for him. So I'm just going to clear out the Mini so it's handier for him, and then I am going to have a look at this K20 and see what way the power steering fits. Now guys, I just gave the floor there. Weather decided to be crap. It's absolutely pissing rain now, so I just closed the doors just to keep it warm in here. I do have the heater on the wall on, keep me nice and warm, so I'm going to close over the other door, get the garage nice and warm and toasty. So quick one before we dive in to this anyway. Starting motor all cleaned up, refitted. The bracket over there that I done the other day, that's all fixed, painted up, looks really fresh. I have power steering for this car, for this engine more like, and it goes here where the tensioner pulley went. So I'm going to figure out what way it bolts on to the engine, and then I need to figure out what belt I need. There's a pulley missing off this that I need to replace, there's a bearing gone in it, and then I'll need to figure out what belt I need to get for it, and then also all these pipes I need to figure out getting new pipes. Some of them are cracked, but that's pretty much it. I tidied up everything else. The inlet manifold is there, looks really good. I'm still waiting on the gaskets, as you know. The injectors and stuff are over there, bits and pieces in the boxes, but 90% of the stuff that I need for the conversion is here. I have the EP3 drive shafts, which all I need to do is to get VTEC CV joints and swap them around and they fit straight in. So yeah guys, I'm going to get cracking. I'm going to grab the box out, a Mini that has the power steering in it, and start mocking stuff up. So here's what I have. It's all the power steering bits and pieces, so I'm just going to give it a go, see what bolts up, what doesn't. stuck this heater up on the wall because it decided to fall on Aaron's head. So power steering is on. It was so much easier than I thought. It literally just bolted on with all the other bolts that the tensioner pulley had. This bearing in this is gone. It needs to be done. It's a little bit wobbly. Sounds okay, but it's wobbly, but it will be replaced. Need to get a belt. Other than that, nothing really much else I can do on the engine.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Just down back at the garage, and I'm going to do my daily routine of obviously moving the EG6 out of the way, and then we'll have a look at what my brother done on the Mini last night, because I left at about 9 o'clock. Promised the wife I'd be home just after 9 o'clock because, yeah, she does everything for me. She's great. So if you're lucky enough to have a wife like mine, yeah, you're very lucky. She doesn't care what I do. But once I make her a promise, it has to be kept, because she's bang on and she's great. So yeah, thanks wife. So yeah, we're down here at the garage again tonight. I'm going to do some more work on the K20. My brother's going to do more work on the Mini, and hopefully soon enough we can get them primed. It's slow and steady. It's just trying to get bits done with work and the kids and stuff. So it's moving a bit slow, more slowly than we wanted to move, but yeah, we'll get it done anyway. But I got a new gas bottle for the welder because he ran out of gas last night. So I brought the bottle with me to get filled up today. And I got him some new tips for the spot welder, see if they work a bit better. So yeah, I'm going to move the Civic out of the way, and then we'll crack on with what we're doing tonight. So these are EK hatch side skirts, fitted to the EG, painted the same colour as the boot lid, and they fit nicely actually. I didn't think they would have fit straight on, but I just self-tapped and screwed them on with little nuts and bolts. They will be getting riv nuts put in this end and this end up here. So yeah, they look good. They do. They look tidy on the car. I do like them. shirts are on, the EG on both sides. My brother's in there welding the Mini. So I'm not going to get anything done with the K20 tonight. As you see there, Sexy Alice down tonight, strutting and stuff, doing funny faces. But yeah guys, that's it for now. So I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.